Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. We're getting closer to Christmas today and I'm going to show you the text indent. The text indent is the little space you have on the first line of a paragraph. So without further ado, let's jump into bricks. All right, so we have our section 18th of December. In the text here, we're going to go to the style tab and you're going to see directly in the CSS tab that I already have the different CSS that we set up already before in previous videos. We're just going to stay under that selector, which is the root, and we're just going to type text indent. And we're going to put this to, let's say, 30 pixel. Here you go. And basically that's about it. But I think it's a very cool feature, especially if you have the first content of a blog post where you can just move out the first line. It really just brings that little sleek professional touch to it. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join and I'd be happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Tricks for Bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!